morning, my children. Welcome to PB Creative Group YouTube channel Jamkandi. I am trying to reach you from this video. Let's come. Today we are going to learn about the integers. I am your math teacher Sri D.R. Madhar. Integers. You recall your previous knowledge. What is an natural numbers, whole numbers, and negative numbers, and also positive numbers. What is an integer? An integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. You know a natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, so on to infinity. So on to infinity, and it is denoted by capital N. Natural numbers denoted by capital N. Counting numbers are called as a natural number, and whole numbers means including 0 to the natural numbers, that's called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W, okay, and whole numbers means 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma so on to infinity. These are called whole numbers. Negative numbers means minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, so on. These are the negative numbers. Once again I will repeat you what is an integer. An integer is a positive or a negative whole number including a 0. This is a definition of integers. Okay. There are 4 integer operations. How many operations? There are 4 integer operations. What are those? Yes. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These 4 operations of the integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Rules for integers: when signs are the same, add the numbers. Very simple. You read once again. When signs are same, add the numbers. I hope you can clear. Dear students, one example is there. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. These are the two numbers. What are those signs? 5 is having the minus sign, and one more number, that's also 1, that's also having the minus. What rules it says? When signs are same, Look here, the 5 having the negative sign and 1 is having the negative sign. What I have done, dear students, signs are same, add the numbers, add the numbers. Signs are same, so I can add the numbers 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1. What next? Answer gets the sign of the larger number. When two numbers having the same number, we can add the numbers, and sign is important. Which sign we have placed here? Place to answer. That means answer gets the sign of the larger number. This is very important. 5 is the largest number. Yes, in these two numbers 5 is the largest number. What is that sign? 5 is having the minus sign, so we can place the minus sign to the answer. That is answer. I hope you can understand. Let's go. Rules for integers. When signs are the different, subtract the numbers. When signs are the different, subtract the numbers. Yes. Look here, one more example. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 and 5 and 1. These are the two numbers. What are those signs? 5 is having the minus sign. Yes. And 1 is having the plus sign. Look here. What says rules? Rule says that clearly, when signs are the different, subtract the numbers. Yes. Look here, two numbers having the different signs means 5 is having the minus 5. 5 is having the minus sign and 1 is having the plus sign. Two numbers having a different signs, so we can subtract the numbers. Yes, that means 5 minus 1, and answer gets the sign of the larger number. Answer should be and get the sign of the largest number. Yes, which one is the largest number in this? 5 is the largest number and it's having the minus sign. 5 is the large number and having the minus sign, and therefore answer is get the minus sign. That means answer is minus 4. Let's practice. 5 minus 6. In these two numbers, 5 minus 6, 5 and 6. 5 is having the plus sign and 6 is having the minus sign. The first rule and second rule you have learned already. When the signs are different, subtract the numbers, subtract the one another. Clearly you know these two numbers having the different signs. One is plus and one is having the minus sign, so you can subtract the one another. The answer is 1. And answer sign, whose number is a larger. In two numbers, 6 is the larger number, that sign is minus, therefore the answer gets the minus sign. Okay, answer is -1. Similarly, second one question, -3 and +2, -2 and -3 and +2. It's very easy and simple, you can do it. -3 and +2, these are the different signs, so we can subtract the one and their numbers. Answer is 1, and largest number is -3, 3 minus, so answer is -1. And third one, 6 plus 5, these two numbers having the same signs, plus sign plus, we can, when the signs are same, we can directly add the numbers, so easily say 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, and next fourth one, -8 plus 7, these two numbers having the different signs. The second rule says when the signs are different, you subtract the numbers. -8 plus 7 is equal to 1. The large number is 8, that sign is minus, the answer is -1. And then fifth one, 9 minus 9, having the different signs. When the different signs, you subtract the one and the numbers, and 9 minus 9, it means equal to 0. Yes, next, rules for adding and subtracting integers continued. When you multiply a plus into minus, you get a negative. Yes, recall your previous knowledge, and plus into minus is equal to a minus. The first one says when you multiply plus into minus, you get a negative. Okay, for example 2 into -3 is equal to, you first multiply the signs. 2 is having the plus sign, yes, and 3 is having the minus sign. You first multiply the signs. Plus into minus is equal to minus. You can understand, very simple trick. When you multiply two numbers, you first multiply the signs. What are the signs? 2 is having the plus sign, 3 is having the minus sign. Plus into minus is equal to minus, then 2 3s are 6, answer is 6. Yes. And second one, when you multiply a minus into minus, you look at second one is says that when you multiply a minus into minus, you get a plus or a positive. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Take an example, -2 into -3. What I can say, I have say that when the two numbers you multiply, first you multiply the signs. 2 is having the negative sign and 3 is also having the negative signs. So minus into minus is equal to plus. Then you multiply the two numbers, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Answer is plus 6. And third one, when you multiply a plus into plus, you get a plus. Yes, plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Take one example. 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3. Plus into plus is equal to plus. 2 3s are 6. That means when you multiply, a plus into plus is equal to plus. Okay. One example, 5 plus into bracket. 5 plus into bracket minus 1, yes, is equal to 5. You multiply the signs, plus into minus, minus means 1, that's equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Yes. Let's practice. 4. First one is 4 minus into bracket minus 5. Okay, is equal to 4 minus into minus plus, then 5, and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, yes, easy. You do in your homework. These 4 for the homework for you. Do it in your home. Okay, then let's practice. You do it in your home. These for your homework. This is for homework for you. Okay, simply one I will explain for you. The first one, 5 plus into bracket minus 2 is equal to 5 plus into minus minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This is the first one. Okay, rules for multiplying integers. Rules for multiplying integers. Multiplying integers, the product of two integers with the same signs is positive. Product of two integers with the same sign. For example, 2 into 3. These are the two numbers having the same signs, plus sign, plus. So product of, what is the product of 2 and 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6, and with the same sign is positive. 3 and 2 having the same sign, plus and plus, so we can put the sign plus 6. Okay, plus 6. The product of two integers with the different signs is negative. I hope you can understand. For example, 2 and 3. For example, if this is on minus 3, 2 is having the plus, product of two numbers means 2 into minus 3. You first multiply the signs. Plus into minus is equal to minus, and 2 3s is equal to 6. Okay, and the product of two number integers with the different signs is negative. Okay, rule summary for multiplication. Positive into positive is equal to positive. Yes, once again, positive into positive is equal to positive, and second one, negative into negative is equal to positive. Yes, and third one, positive into negative is equal to negative, and fourth one, negative into positive is equal to a negative. Let's practice multiplication. First one, 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3. Yes, first you can multiply the signs. This is plus, this is minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 6 3s are 18, minus 18. Yes, remaining examples look, and very simple. You do it in your home. 3 3s are 9, same signs. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Yes, these are two numbers having the different signs, means minus into plus is equal to minus. 4 5s are 20, and fourth one, minus into minus. 6 is having the minus sign, 2 is also having the minus sign, so minus into minus is equal to plus, and 6 2s are 12. And fifth one, minus into minus. 7 is having the minus sign, and also 8 is also having the minus sign. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 7 8s are 56, in the plus 56. Okay, rule summary for division. Positive and positive divided by positive is equal to positive. For example, 2 divided by plus 4. 2 is having the positive sign, and 4 is also having the positive sign. Positive divided by positive is equal to a positive. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. Okay, positive divided by positive is equal to a positive. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. And next, negative divided by negative. Negative divided by negative. Negative divided by negative. For example, minus 4 divided by minus 2 is equal to, what happens? 2 1s are 2 2s are negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Means 2 1 ja 2 2 ja plus 2. And third one, positive by negative plus 4 positive divided by minus 2 negative. What says this as negative? Yes, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja is equal to minus 2. And fourth one, negative divided by positive. Negative minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative divided by positive is equal to a negative. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 2. Yes, let's practice. 18 divided by minus 2. First one is 18 divided by minus 2. Positive divided by negative is equal to, rule says a negative. 2 1 ja 2 9 ja is equal to 9. Okay, 18 divided by minus 2 is equal to a minus 9. Second one, 48 minus 48 divided by minus 6. Minus 48 divided by minus 6. Negative divided by negative is equal to a positive. 6 1 ja 6 8 ja is equal to 8. Okay, and third one, minus 27 divided by 9 is equal to, minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus is equal to negative by positive is equal to negative. So 9 1 ja 9 3 ja 27. So answer is minus 3. And next, fourth one, 64 divided by 8. Yes, these are having the positive divided by positive is equal to positive. 8 8 ja 64. So 8. And fifth one, 30 divided by minus 5. This is having the plus sign. Plus divided by positive divided by negative is equal to negative. 5 1 ja 5 6 ja 30. So answer is minus 6. Let's review what we have learned today's. Recall today's lesson. What is an integer? What is an integer? Answer is, an integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. An integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. Can you give an example of an integers? Yes, definitely. Answer is minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 so on to infinity. These are the integers. What are the 4 operations? Answer is, the 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, dear children, thank you for watching this video.